In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check DocuSign envelope status. Tracking your envelope status is a simple way to see whether a document has been sent, viewed, signed, or fully completed, so you can follow up with confidence and keep your workflow moving. Start by signing in to your DocuSign account using your preferred browser or the mobile app. Once you're in, head to the top menu and open the Agreements tab. This is your dashboard for envelopes. You'll see everything grouped here, including items you've sent, ones you've received, and anything that has already been completed, so you get a full picture at a glance. Find the envelope you want to check by browsing the list or using the search bar. You can search by the envelope name, a recipient's name or email, or the date it was sent. If you're dealing with a larger list, try sorting by date or status to bring the most relevant items to the top. Small tip: consistent envelope names make searching much faster when you're managing multiple documents. If you don't have DocuSign yet or you need quick access, I've placed the official website link and the app download link right at the top of the description so you can sign in or get the app easily. In the agreements list, look at the status column to see where things stand. Draft means you've saved the envelope but haven't sent it. Sent confirms it went out to recipients. Delivered indicates the email reached the recipient's inbox. Viewed means someone opened the document. Completed tells you all required signatures are done. Declined appears when a recipient refuses to sign. Voided shows the envelope was cancelled. These status labels update as activity happens, so you can rely on them for real-time progress. For deeper insight, click the envelope to open its details. In the Recipients section, you'll see each person's progress, such as sent, viewed, or signed, which helps you identify exactly who might be holding things up. Then check the History tab to review a timestamped trail of actions, including when the envelope was sent, delivered, opened, and signed. This is especially useful for audits or when you need to confirm timing. A couple of important notes before we wrap up. Only envelopes that have been sent will show ongoing status updates. Drafts won't progress until you send them. DocuSign updates in real time, but if something looks out of date, refresh the page. You can also enable email notifications so you're automatically alerted as recipients act, saving you from constant manual checks. That's it. If this helped, don't forget to check the link in the description. And thanks for watching.